Struggling to keep up with New Jersey's booming economy? You're not alone. With 13 Fortune 500 companies calling the state home, it's a challenge to stay competitive. IT is not just a support function. It's the driving force behind operational efficiency and innovation across all industries. Businesses in New Jersey can leverage advanced IT solutions to stay ahead in a competitive landscape, ensuring sustained growth and resilience, says Michael Fried, CEO of Tech Keys. New Jersey's economy is powered by diverse sectors. Life sciences and pharmaceuticals thrive with the highest concentration of scientists and engineers globally. Companies like Johnson & Johnson and Merck lead the charge, employing thousands. Financial services also play a crucial role, with the sector contributing $32 billion to the state's economy in 2020 alone. Manufacturing remains robust, employing nearly 230,000 people, and contributing about 10.1% of the state's GDP. Technology is another key player, with New Jersey being a hub of innovation, employing over 184,000 workers in 2020. Infrastructure investments have bolstered transportation and logistics, contributing over $62.5 billion to New Jersey's GDP. Clean energy initiatives are transforming the state, with aggressive goals for solar and wind power. And let's not forget media and film, with New Jersey offering a 30% tax credit to filmmakers. But what ties all these industries together? Information technology. IT enhances data management, cybersecurity, and operational efficiency. From life sciences to financial services, IT is the backbone that ensures these sectors stay competitive and innovative. For a deeper dive into these thriving New Jersey industries, visit our website to read the full article. And don't forget to add this to your Spotify playlist for more insights.